Hey guys, I'm here in a beautiful dream home in Dana Point, Southern California, here with my mate Jake Hiemstra from Jake Hiemstra Design. And we have finished this off with some pocket systems as well as our bypass as well. Now Jake, this opening, if we didn't have sliding doors, would be a bit of a catastrophe with swinging doors interfering with each other.
Absolutely.
So talk us through the use of the pockets in this home, if you don't mind.
Well, I always was against pocket sliders, to be truthful at first. And then to come across pocket, your cavity sliders, it was just amazing to me, just the fact of how the functionality of it. So I became a lover actually of pocket doors now.
Okay.
And with the fact that we can actually have this area here where there's another door that is existing here, which we'd be bumping into, which you could have to go around to get into that space. It didn't make sense. So having this pocket slider here was actually very ideal.
And talk us through some of the problems that you've dealt with in the past, like.
Oh goodness, with the way the other pocket sliders that are made, basically the track and how they were put together, they were very cheap to me.
There's a lot of wooden systems that don't really have that structural integrity
That's the thing that I think I was most impressed with the whole aluminum structure.
I'm here with my mate Jim Solik. Jim is the representative for cavity sliders in Southern California, as well as TruStile, who make these lovely door panels. We've partnered up on this home with these pocket systems and these doors. Jim, tell us about the doors.
So this house decided to go with TruStile doors. It was a nice addition. It works really well with the cavity system. What I really like about the partnership of using TruStile with cavity is that TruStile will, at the factory, prep these doors so that the installation of the CL400 hardware is simple and easy. What's also really nice is the fact that this is a heavy door. It's a solid wood door. It's about 150 pounds. You can see how smooth the system operates, how nice and elegant the soft close is. This is a beautiful home and it's got beautiful products in it.
Exactly. When you're doing a really nice, solid core, beautiful door, you want it to run on a reliable system. So that's what this partnership allows. And the other thing is, we've seen a lot of architects and builders have more comfort using pocket systems to achieve a lot from a design and a flow standpoint. So, if you think about what you can achieve with the views with pocket doors and hiding everything inside the wall versus having swinging doors and hinges and things in your field of view, it allows for a lot more of a clean aesthetic. So architects with a reliable system can have confidence in using pocket doors again. People know cavity sliders for our pocket systems. It's a door that slides inside the cavity in the wall. But we're becoming more renowned for the other applications that we offer. So one of those is the bypass systems. And people have the same problems with their bypass as their pockets, right?
Yes.
We've all lived in that apartment where the wardrobe's falling off the track.
So that's the other thing too, especially with these doors wide open like this as a bypass system. A lot of times you have to pull the door completely here or it slams and bounces back. But with the cavity slider hardware in this, it's unbelievable how you can do the same thing with those and just pull it to it and let it do its thing.
There you go. And with like a twin room like this, having those out swinging, you just simply don't have the space. So obviously you're saving that space and you've got that quality finish with some TruStile panels here as well. So if you're gonna do some solid core, heavier doors, you want a smooth running system and then preferably the soft close.
And so with that, Laurie, I have to tell you that I'm totally sold on the fact that I will never use another pocket slider.
There you go.
As long as I build.
Fantastic. Mission complete then, eh? Well, thank you, Jake.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for having
much.
us.
Appreciate
Cheers.
you.